it's Anne from Good Girls Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to produce a weekly scheduler, something similar to this, that you can produce using Canva, which is free software. It will enable you to monitor your habits and change or improve them. And later on I'm also going to show you how to, from rough-handed workings, produce a scorecard to monitor how you're progressing with your weekly scheduler and perhaps habit changer. So if you'd like to learn how to do that, continue watching the video and I'll show you how. Thank you.
Hi guys, it's Anne. Just wanted to show you a simple scheduler that you can create with Canva. If you go to create a design, you can, or to the home page, you'll come up with this page. You can use templates and then find a scheduler, or you can Google scheduler here. Checklist, I think I did before. And you can pick a style that you like. I wanted something with Monday to Friday, Monday to Sunday on it, a full week. You scroll through, and I picked this design out because then I could write in the tasks that I wanted to do and tick them off. I could also print it out, laminate it, and then if the task changed I could just use wipeable pen or felt and just wipe those off and change them as the weeks went by. But as you can see, there's already some templates that you can use without changing here anyway. Perhaps this one. So, but if you want to perhaps do a checklist as well, that you can, another way to just fill in a checklist of things maybe that you're putting in your suitcase or something, you can do something like that. So I selected mine, and it was this one, and then I changed the backing. I'll just go to my designs. You can see here I changed it to this. That's the same one there. But what I did was I picked a new background. So you go here and you find backgrounds. You just scroll through and pick one that you find suitable, or you can upload a picture and put that as the background. Tried a few and now settled on this one, which was the coins. So you can see these are the ones that I tried. So you pick that and then you drag it across here and it drops into the back. And you can also then remove the ones that were there previously by clicking on the design and then just move this across and then hitting the dustbin, or you'll find the dustbin will pop up here somewhere and you can just delete it. I also clicked on here and then just changed the wording, and you can change the colour of the backgrounds or the lettering and the circles and the lines. You can also adjust the size if you want as well, how much it takes up, and the opacity as well. This is the opacity, transparency. So you can make it brighter or a little dimmer, and the same with the lettering and the colouring here. You click on that box, you can go up to the transparency, click on there, and also make the background of that whiter or more opaque. You can then, let me just move this across again. You can insert different text just drag and drop and then adjust it. Put images, if you wanted to split the screen, or you could put these in. If you wanted to put 2 columns into there perhaps, but I don't, so I'm going to press this little arrow and undo that. Okay. Lots of other little elements that you could put in. And these are more, if you're perhaps doing an active magazine or booklet, you can use these kind of things as well, like YouTube. So if you wanted to upload a picture that you put in your own back, you can put your own uploads in. These are pictures that I've put in previously and then edited them for things like Canva or YouTube, and you could drag and drop your image into your paper and design, resize it, just change the size so you can see it a bit more clearly. Scroll up with the scroll bar, the right hand side, and then continue to adjust it. And then when you're finished, you hit this arrow here to download. Or actually first hit File to save, hit File, and then click Save. And then you can change the name of your design. I'm just clicking there and then adjusting. And then when you're happy with the new title, you can download and just hit the download, and it will save it to your own file. So that's a quick lesson in how to create your own design using template with Canva. Thank you. Like and subscribe if you'd like to follow me on the £100,000 income challenge.